All right, here we are at a future coming soon, and take that in. This is a magnificent building, and guess what? Spoiler alert, as I hop into the next one, you're gonna see there are two detached structures. So you have a two-car garage, or I should say an oversized two-car garage, and then you have an additional building. So I'll go into that a bit more during the boots on the ground tour, but take that in. This is a extremely large lot, plenty of parking. The snow actually makes it a little bit more defined as well. You can see how you can turn around there, and that's just fantastic because parking is one thing that normally bothers me, and you have loads of it here. Also, right off the back there, that back porch, there is an extremely oversized patio and a fire pit. So just great for any of that backyard activity you want to do, or just hanging out and relaxing. So take this in. This is just kind of cruising around the neighborhood. I don't think I got into Chalfont, or pretty close there. And yeah, this one shows it off really well. Not only the structures, but the length it is off a grub road. So that driveway is quite long. And there you go. I'm glad some of the snow's melted, because you do have that slate roof popping through, and that is just beautiful in my opinion. So there you go. You'll see that. I think I almost get the school in this shot. Nope, not quite. There it is. So you can see that, and just take in the neighborhood. So real quick too, in the house, I will tell you, I think the addition offers the possibility for either an additional bedroom or an in-law suite. So let's get you in right now. All right, take that in. Here's the future coming soon, situated quite a ways back here off of Grub Road. And I'll just show you. Long driveway. So there we go. And let's just do the outside before we go inside. Show you a little bit of this front porch, which is magnificent. You do have that ceiling fan there and that swing. So take that in. There we are. Bring you around here. As you can see, all brick. And the roof on this one is slate. So definitely something to note. There we go. So down here too, you have two additional structures. So you have that two-car garage on the right, which is oversized. Then you have this structure here. And I'll get a nice back view of this house. And I will say a massive patio right here. Take that in. One extremely large house, in my opinion. Already have it opened up. Great owners. Knew I was doing this. So there you go. Two-car garage. There's space above there. Concrete floor. Oh, look at that. Good storage spot. And without me forgetting, because I missed it last time, you have a good sized shed here. So check that out. There you are. And just for completeness, let's stay outside. I'll show you how much, acreage you actually have here. Look at that. So there's the garage, the shed, and quite a distance from here to the actual house. Now the real potential, if you want an office detached from the people inside, you can convert this. I mean, this could be modified into yet another garage if you really wanted it to be. But here we go. Let's see if they're open. Perfect. So you see how much space is back here. And if you wanted to, I believe that wall could even come down and be modified. Don't hold me to that. And even additional space back here. There you go. You see how high the ceiling is. So plenty of space here. And if we're going to be clever, let's see if this opens up to anything. Yeah, we can go in this way. So I'll show you. They are connected. But I imagine if you wanted a separate office space, that's what you could do. You could keep it separated as it is right now and go from there. So here you go. And look at that. Let me open the door all the way. Entranceway right there as well. pull you into this corner here so you can see the size of this. High ceilings. And again, depending on what you wanted to do, I believe you can open it up and actually turn this into a garage. So there we are. It's the quick tour of the exterior. Drone footage is going to help today, but not a ton. You still have snow on the roof. But here we are. Oh, by the way, as long as I don't trip, you do have a circle here. So a nice circle to turn around. And there we are, checking out that backyard patio. And this is the way you normally enter. So you come in right through here, and up we go. Shoes are off, and in we go. All right, and take this in. As soon as you come in, you're greeted by this custom kitchen. So crown molding. Let me spin around so you can see it. There's a lot to take in. Look at that. Yeah, pictures won't do this one justice. So the kitchen, and walk up to the stairs here, but let's stay on one level so you can get every angle of this. There we go. Pull you down. Neat little feature there, I'll point out. So let's go up and over. So here's the true front of the house right there. Based on where you park, I doubt many people will use it, but that beautiful porch is right there. So take this in, spin you around just so you can get your bearings. There you are. Back into the kitchen, so you can see this angle. We'll pull you back. Right to my left here is the basement access. And spoiler alert, the basement is expanded because when they built the addition past this room here, there's a basement under it. So it was done nicely. Here you go, the official dining room. There you are. And really, that's your family room then, or your bigger living room, because this works as well. So showing you every angle we have. And let me take you all the way down here because to me, this has a lot of potential. If you want to make a pseudo in-law suite, I mean, here's the place to do it. It has its own private entrance. You have that fireplace right there. And take this in as I spin it around. Big windows. Look at the wood floors. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. All right, and then right around here, we're going to tie back into the kitchen. But there is a powder room. I was going to say small. It's not small. That is a good sized powder room with a window and a closet. So we'll take you upstairs now. A long way. We'll go through this way. Again, I'm really trying to get every single possible angle so you can best view this simply by looking at the video. So there we are. 3 steps here to the landing and up we go. And you'll see 4 good-sized bedrooms. One of them is being used as a closet, but that's what you do when you have an extra bedroom. So here's bedroom number 1. That is a king bed. I'm going to take you in and spin you around because it is that big. There you go. Ceiling fan, crown molding, newer updated windows. You can see that as I back out here. There you are. And in the hallway, we'll enter bedroom number 2. Again, hardwood floors carry throughout. Big room, 2 windows. I'll spin you around. You got the bathroom, bedroom 3, and bedroom 4. So let's head into bedroom 4. Also a big bed here. I believe it's a queen. I'll tuck you in the corner so you can kind of get a sense of how big this is. Crown molding, nice ceiling fan, and 2 windows in here as well. I'll save the bathroom for last. Let's spin you around. And again, taking those hardwood floors. And this is a good sized bedroom. Also with the crown molding. There you are. Here is the full bathroom up here. Good size. You got a window and a linen closet right there to the left. But the real bonus here, for a house of this size with all the detached structures, you have a walk-up attic. Now, if somebody wanted to turn this into, you know, well, whatever they want. I don't know if you want to turn it into a bedroom or a playroom, but you do have windows up here, and we will walk around. So the HVAC does take up some of it, but look at this. To me, with this roof, this is a world of potential. Nice, neat, and clean. Again, there's the view of the backyard. There's additional structures. Little bago going on. All right, so there you go. We will now venture back down and show you the basement. And just a testament to the owners. I mean, everything is nice, neat, and clean and orderly. Even the basement. I'm essentially coming over somewhat unannounced, but to show you how clean it is. And take in how big this hallway is. It's a big space. So down we go. So we'll go through the kitchen and wrap around and take you. Can't get enough of that kitchen. Fantastic. And I think I'm gonna have to do this. They showed me when I was first here. Hideaway ironing board with that to match. Talk about class. I love it. All right, so down we go. We'll venture down to the basement, as I said. Nice, neat, and clean. This is where your laundry is. I'll bring you up. Just kind of take you around. Leave no stone unturned. You can see this house before seeing this house. And there you are. All right. So high ceilings. I'm not growing anymore. I'm still 5'10". And this is the real bonus. When they did that addition in the past, they did it right. So 2 steps down, and above here is the addition. So big room here, nice clean storage. Got a way to walk out. And here you go. Back up. Plenty of storage here, the attic. I mean, and then those 2 outbuildings. You really have a ton. Up we go. And I'll tell you what. I'm gonna leave you right there.